Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your the current homepage that you have on your website with a page builder version of the homepage. Now, by now, most of you know how powerful the page builder is, and it allows you to really take control of the layout of your pages. But since we released the page builder, a lot of folks have commented that the home page doesn't have that same flexibility. Well, now we have it set up so that you can replace your homepage with a version of the homepage that is page builder friendly. And with that, you can do things like, insert information above or below the slider or in between the boxes, or maybe you want to move the three boxes above the slider and move the slider down, or, anything like that. You can now have ultimate control over the layout of your homepage. And this is how to do it. So let's head to our dashboard. The first thing we want to do is to create a new page. So I'll go to Pages and click Add New. Now from here, I'm going to give it a title. The title really doesn't matter. It's just for you to be able to identify it. So in this case, I'm just going to call it New Homepage. A couple things you need to do is set the template to full width and click Publish. All right, now we're going to head over to the Page Builder, so I'll click the Page Builder tab. All right, now we're in the Page Builder, and this is going to look a little bit different on your site, but basically you're going to see the layout templates. One of them is going to be called Homepage. You can choose the homepage layout, and now it's loaded up the homepage, but it's in a page builder layout. So now you have control over all of the elements. So at this point, you can, edit it if you want to, and mess around with it. Some ideas that you can do with your new page builder homepage is maybe, for example, you don't like these icons and you want to replace them with images. You can do that now. So I can click to add content, go to basic modules, choose photo, drag a photo over here. I'll just put it right under the icon. There's the photo settings, and now I can select a photo, and maybe I want to put in this robot. And I have the service, the size for the services box is a good size for these boxes as well. So I'll select the photo. I'm not going to do any special editing. I'll just click Save. There's the photo, and then I can delete the icon just by clicking the X there, saying, okay, I confirm. Now the box has a photo instead of an icon. Another thing I can do is if I want to put in like a call to action or something up further above, in case this form might be a little too far down the home page, I can add one of my advanced modules, the call to action, and throw that right under the slider. Now we have this call to action box that I can use. And I can, mess around with that. Ready to find out more? Drop us a line. There's a button, and then I can style it. Maybe give it a background color that pops a little bit, like a green or something. Let's see. Yeah, something like I don't know. And then we'd have to make the text color white. We'd have to play around with some of those settings, but that's basically what we would do there. And adding a call to action, you need to play around with it some more, but that's kind of what that would look like. And let your imagination run wild. You have control over the way the homepage is going to look. So when you're done with that, you can click Done up in the top, click Publish Changes button. All right. Now that takes you to the page, but with all the changes you made. But notice it's showing up. It's not actually your home page. It's its own page right now. If I go to Home, I'll go back to the old home page. So we need to assign that new page as the home page. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And now I'm going to go to Site Settings in my menu. And there's a new option here. This wasn't there before, but now there's a place that says homepage where you can choose the page you like to set as your site's homepage. So now using that drop down, I can select the new homepage that I just created. Click Save Settings. Now if I go back to my site, I can see that now the homepage of my site is the new page builder version of the homepage, and I can continue to edit this however I want. Note that this homepage has filler content, so you would need to copy and paste your old homepage's content or create new content. You know, this might be a good opportunity to kind of redo the content for your homepage. Otherwise, you would need to before you say you did this, you would need to copy and paste the content, because otherwise this is going to be filled in with the sample content that you see here. The one last thing that you'll want to do is now notice if I click the home link, it actually takes me to that old home page. So I need to update the home link in the navigation menu. So to do that, I'll go back to my dashboard and go to the menus screen, and then from there where it says home, actually I'll go to the left under pages where it says new home page. I'll check that box, click the add to menu button. Now it shows up here in my menu list. I'm going to drag that up to the top. I'm going to delete this old home menu icon, and then I'm going to change the navigation label just back to what it was originally, which is home. Then click Save. Now if I go back to my site, I can see the page builder page is now my home page. And now if I click the home link in the navigation menu, it takes me to the correct home page. And that's it. Now you have a much more flexibility with your homepage where you can add whatever you want, adjust things, adjust the colors, fine-tune the spacing, whatever you want to do. Now you have complete control over it with the Page Builder. Hope you enjoy this new feature of TechSite Builder. Let me know what you think in the comments, or send an email to mail@TechSiteBuilder, or if you have any issues with this this whole thing, just send us a support ticket at support.techsitebuilder.com and we'll take a look for you. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye.